Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing a couple of tips to help you become better at affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few tips to help you become a better affiliate marketer. So, if you've been having trouble getting leads or just getting leads to convert into buyers, then this video is going to help you out. Now, before I share these tips with you, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so if you're watching this video, then chances are you're having trouble getting leads into your business, or you're just having trouble converting those leads into buyers. You've probably seen a few ads where people are talking about how much money they're making using affiliate marketing, and they just make it look so easy. But usually what they don't show you is how much hard work it actually takes in order to reach that level of success. So that's why I'm making this video, to give you some tips on how you can become a better affiliate marketer. Now, what most people do when getting started with affiliate marketing is, or just any business in general, is they watch a bunch of information, they watch a lot of content like YouTube videos, or they invest into an online course where they can learn as much about their business as possible. They just gather all this information, they binge watch a bunch of videos, and then they say, hey, okay, now I know how to make money with affiliate marketing. And for the majority of people, that's where it stops. They just keep that information in the back of their mind and they don't implement it. They don't take any action. And that's where most people get stuck when they're first getting started out. They just stockpile all this information and they don't do nothing with it. Instead of just watching all this content and taking in all this information, you should be learning it, you should be doing it, and then turning around and teaching that to somebody. Because I guarantee you, somebody somewhere, they don't know what you just learned. And if you're teaching that, if you're sharing that, then you're going to be teaching it to them and they're going to get value from that. Now, most people who get started with affiliate marketing or any online business, they think they need to have this massive success. They think they need to have hundreds of thousands of dollars already that they earned from their online business before they're qualified to teach somebody something. But if you teach what you already know, even if you're a beginner, that's going to give value to somebody who hasn't even started or who's a beginner themselves and they haven't came across that information yet. So, for example, if you learned how to generate 5 leads, if you got your first 5 leads for your online business, you can just create content, make a video about that. This is how I created, or I generated my first 5 leads for my online business. Now, you might not think that's a big deal, but there's people out there who have an online business who don't know how to generate 1 lead. So if they watch that video, they can implement that and they can get value from it. So instead of just sitting around watching a bunch of informational videos, how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to grow an online business, and doing nothing with it, use that information and create content with it. Teach that to somebody else who might not know how to do that. I guarantee you they're going to get value from that. Even if it's something as simple as, I learned how to create my first autoresponder sequence. This is how I did it. It's just simply sharing the knowledge. Now, another tip that you can use to get more leads or become a better affiliate marketer is to host webinars. Now, I know some people might look at that as kind of scary, being live in front of a bunch of strangers that you don't know. It is kind of scary, but that's how you gain experience and that's how you become better. I know there's a bunch of excuses that people can make when it comes to hosting an online webinar, like what if nobody shows up to my webinar, what if I suck? More than likely, if it's your first webinar, chances are it's going to suck. You're going to stumble over your words, you're going to make mistakes, but that's how you get better at it. And if nobody shows up, just do it anyways, because you need that practice in order to get better. Just pretend like you got a room full of people that you're presenting in front of. And when you host online webinars, it creates a stronger connection between you and your target audience, because they can see you. And they might be thinking to themselves, hey, you know what, this guy's a normal guy just like me. He puts his pants on one leg at a time just like everybody else. So if he can create success with an online business, why can't I? So there's plenty of resources out there where you can host an online webinar. We have the internet nowadays. We can practically Google anything and find a solution or an answer to a question that we have. It's all about being resourceful. So there's basically no excuse why you can't do something or why you can't learn something. Now, tip number 3 is to email your list daily. If not daily, at least on a consistent basis. Now, most people might think emailing my list daily, that's probably going to annoy the people who are on my list. They might unsubscribe. And if they do, I mean, that's cool because that leaves more room for people who are going to be interested in what you have to offer. Now, the reason why I say or I suggest to email your list daily is because you can stay in contact with the people who are on your list. And if you, like, let's say that you go 2 months without emailing your list at all, you're just emailing them to promote a new offer. I mean, they're just going to feel like you're just emailing them to sell them something instead of building an actual connection. They don't really feel like you're trying to help them. And when you go for long periods of time without emailing your list, they're probably going to forget about you. If they receive an email from you after like 6 months, after not hearing from you, they're going to wonder who you are. And that's probably what's going to make them unsubscribe because they don't know who you are and they probably don't want to hear anything that you have to offer to them. Now, if you're wondering like what you should email to the people on your email list, I've done a video in the past where I shared email marketing tips that are going to help you convert people into buyers. And I'll link that in the cards up here if you guys want to check that out. But that's basically the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you guys so you can become better at affiliate marketing. And the next time that you're just promoting random affiliate links to people that you don't know or who have no idea who you are or what you're offering, I mean, you might want to take the time to just create content and just implement what you learned. Just share some knowledge and show them how much you've learned maybe in your area or your niche. And that's going to increase your chances of getting people into leads and then turning those leads into buyers. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you got some value from it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you're somebody who's interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.